So now it's time to unbox this TeckNet Doorbell. And I bought this with two receivers because I have two floors where I live. So I want to hear if someone, for instance, a delivering guy comes and rings at my bell. I want to hear it wherever I am. So this is how it looks. We have here the user manual. I believe it is for both models. Okay, maybe one it's with one receiver and the other one it's like the one I have with two receivers. Okay, nice. Here, and the good thing is this is plugged to a outlet wall. Okay. We have here the volume button, I think. Here it's to switch the music. And this one I need to figure out what it is. I believe this is the same. And we have here the door, the bell. So let's start using this, trying so we can see how this doorbell works. So look, there we go. So here it's the doorbell. I need to stick this close to my door. I'm gonna turn this on. And okay, let me see if this goes. Okay, I need to do this side. Okay, because this has somehow has memory. So let me. Okay, nice thing because I changed the melody in one of them, this one, and you can change it here. How many do they have? Okay, so set up. I don't think they have. Let me check this side of the user manual. So we have 4 volume, and the volume, let me show up. Okay, the volume it's here. We have 4 levels. Okay, this one is disconnected. I thought, okay, so here it's to change the melody. It's here, and here it's the setup button. Okay, I think it's okay. Yes, pretty easy to use, as you can see. You just need to plug this in a wall outlet and it's ready to go. I'm gonna keep this because for me this is the most normal doorbell sound. So this was the unboxing and tryout of this TeckNet Doorbell wireless. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.